Thai food and drinks pairing, beer, cocktails, and more. Thai food has become one of the most beloved cuisines around the world. It bursts with flavors and uses a variety of spices, making it a versatile pairing choice with different beverages. Whether you are eating out at a Thai restaurant or cooking at home, pairing Thai food with the right drink elevates the flavors and creates a complete dining experience. Are eating out at a Thai restaurant or cooking at home, pairing Thai food with the right drink elevates the flavors and creates a complete dining experience. Here is a guide to help you pair your Thai dish with a perfect drink, from beer to cocktails and more. Beer pairing. Thai food combines a balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, and beer is often a go-to choice that blends well with the cuisine. The light, crisp flavor of beer cuts through the spicy heat. Thai dishes and complements the bold flavors of herbs and spices. Thai dishes and complements the bold flavors of herbs and spices. Pale ales. Light-bodied beers such as pale ales match up well with Thai curries. Their clean and crisp flavors cut through the heat and bring out the aromatic spices found in the dish. Try pairing a pale ale A spicy Thai matzaman curry. A spicy Thai matzaman curry. Lagers. Lagers complement the lighter, milder dishes that are prevalent in Thai cuisine. The slight sweetness in a lager blends well with savory green papaya salads or crispy sweet pork belly. Wheat beers. Wheat beers have a citrusy and spicy flavor that pairs with the sweetness from Thai dishes. The spices used in Thai cuisine amplify the ingredients in wheat beers like coriander and orange peel. Pilsners. Pilsners are a versatile beer pairing option that complements a wide variety of Thai dishes. The light and refreshing beer is commonly consumed in Thailand and pairs well with fried appetizers such as spring rolls or fried tofu. Spring rolls or fried tofu. India Pale Ales, EPA, go against the grain of traditional beer pairings with Thai food, but the bitterness and complexity of an EPA match the bold flavors in Thai cuisine. The hoppy flavors counteract the heat from chili peppers or curry paste. The heat from chili peppers or curry paste. Cocktail pairing. Thai food and cocktails are a match made in heaven. The tropical flavors of Thailand combine with the light and refreshing beverages in a perfect harmony of sweet and spicy. Margarita. Margaritas with Thai food might not be the most obvious pairing, but the smoky and salty tastes of this drink balance out the sour and tart flavors of Thai dishes. Make a margarita with tequila, fresh lime, and chili peppers or cilantro to add a Thai twist. Lime and chili peppers or cilantro to add a Thai twist. Mai Tai. Mai Tais are known for their tropical taste, and this cocktail pairs perfectly with a zesty papaya salad or spicy grilled chicken. The combination of lime juice, rum, and pineapple juice in Mai Tais lightens up the more heavy dishes. Lightens up the more heavy dishes. Sangria. Sangria, a refreshing wine cocktail mixed with fruit, is the perfect match for spicy Thai food. The cool and sweet taste of the fruit juice elements cut the spice, while the wine enhances the overall flavor of the dish. Flavor of the dish. Gin and tonic. With an herbal and botanical flavor, gin and tonic is a versatile cocktail that pairs with the aromatic and herbaceous flavors in Thai dishes. It is also a refreshing drink that magnifies the heat in spicy dishes. Spicy dishes. Sake. Sake, a Japanese alcoholic beverage, has a light and clean flavor that can balance out the diverse and unique spices in Thai food. The subtle sweetness in sake goes well with savory Thai dishes like tear fried noodles and rice. Tear fried noodles and rice. Non-alcoholic pairing. Not everyone who enjoys Thai food wants to indulge in alcohol. Fear not, because there are many non-alcoholic options that go well with Thai cuisine. Thai iced tea. One of the most popular drinks from Thailand, Thai iced tea, is made from black tea, sugar, condensed milk, and spices like anise, cinnamon, and vanilla. It provides a creamy texture and sweet flavor that complements spicy dishes. Coconut water. One of the healthiest and refreshing drinks is coconut water, and it works well with Thai cuisine. The natural sweetness in coconut water cools and tones down the spice level in Thai dishes. Lime juice. Lime juice is an excellent non-alcoholic option that cuts through the heat in spicy Thai food. The sour and tart taste provides balance to the overall dish, making it more palatable. Iced coffee. Thai iced coffee is a sweet and creamy concoction that provides a dessert-like taste to your meal. The coffee is mixed with sweetened condensed milk and served over ice. In addition to the above options, there are also some general tips to keep in mind when pairing drinks with Thai food. For instance, it is important to choose a drink that can cut through the heat and balance the flavors of the dish. You also want to avoid drinks that are too heavy or overpowering, as they can mask the taste of the food.